Form@. Wood started as a small woodworking shop and has now become an international design sensation thanks to its acoustic wood panels. Reviews highlight how these panels bring a softness reminiscent of freshly baked bread to any space. The numbers are impressive too. A 30mm thick panel reportedly absorbs over 60% of sound in the 200 to 800 Hz range, enhancing speech clarity. Made from oak, ash, and American walnut, the panels not only perform well but also look appealing. This makes them a compelling solution for both recording studios and houses.